So we're in Clovis, California, working on a toilet here in the master bath. We've got the fill valve was screeching when we came in. You can see it's calcified pretty good. It was functioning, but you know, it's just going to continue to get louder. And plus, once you get debris built up in here, you have a hard time regulating the fill valve. The fill of the toilet begins to overfill. So anyways, we replaced that. We use these parts, the straight fluid master fill valve. So that's new. Then of course it's got a Kohler canister. We're using the 105, 92, 91 Kohler gasket that sits at the bottom of the toilet. You can't see it from the top. If you look down, you can see the yellow. So that's brand new, and nothing else was changed on the canister. This is the flush valve. It's a canister style, and that's what seats it at the bottom. That keeps the water from leaking out of the tank and reactivating the fill valve. And of course, that's the brand new fill valve we put in. So it's adjusted correctly. You can see normally you should be between 1/4 and 1/2 inch low, which is going to be the water line from here down from the top. And so it's filling correctly. It's shutting off correctly. It's flushing correctly. Also, we gave you a brand new supply line. We like to put those in when we work on toilets because the old ones, the gaskets hardened up and they don't really reseat that well, and then we're back out working on your toilet again. And so that's your old guy right there, probably original to the home, so probably 15 years or so. And this is a Fluid Master 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 braided stainless steel supply line. So everything's good here. Great toilet, Kohler, and shouldn't have any other trouble outside of that. And this repair is done.